It's time to simplify your life with the new Siri Shortcuts app. This app allows you to give new commands to Siri to get things done on your phone. It's very similar to the If This Then That app, but it's Apple's version of it. You're going to have to download this app from the App Store once you update to iOS 12. We'll click into the app and look right at the gallery first. So we can look through all of these shortcuts that we can tell Siri, and she'll do them for us. Let's say we want to take a photo. Tell Siri, we'll say cheese, and she'll take a photo. Or we want to get a playlist ready for work. Siri will do these things ready and get your playlist ready when you're heading to work. If we want to add our own shortcut, we just have to click add. And let's say we want to send a text message to somebody. So what we'll do is we'll click send message, add the recipient's phone number, and type in our message. Hey, how's it going? And every time we say this message, the command, let's name this hey. And once we click add to Siri, what then will happen is we'll tell her every time we say hey, or how's it going, or send a message, whatever you want the command to be, this event will go off. You can change the icon and get into all that, the color, the glyph, whatever you want that makes it easier for you to understand. And there are just so many things you can do with this new feature. I love it.